To turn off background app refresh on your iPhone, first go to Settings and scroll down to General. From there, scroll down to Background App Refresh. There's a couple ways to control this. At the very top, you have a master toggle that allows you to either turn off background app refresh altogether for everything on your phone, or you can limit it to only work when you're on Wi-Fi, or allow it on both Wi-Fi and cellular data, which is the unrestricted setting. It's always allowed to run. A better option than completely turning it off for everything would be to turn it off on an app-by-app basis. When you scroll down, you'll see a list of all the apps on your phone, and if you toggle off a specific app, that app in particular will stop refreshing in the background. This is often a good way to control it, if you want to leave it on for some apps but disable it for others. If you use low power mode on your phone, it disables background refresh automatically. This is also a data thing. If you're on a limited plan, background app refresh is one of those things that quietly consumes data in the background, so limiting it might help with your data usage as well. Anyways, that's how you turn off background app refresh on iOS. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all.